class, as you know, we have been talking about volcanoes and volcanic systems. Today we're going to take a sightseeing trip to Iceland and explore some of the physical changes volcanoes and their systems can have on the Earth. These changes can be quite rapid or occur over time. Our first stop on our tour of Iceland is at an inactive volcano. This means the volcano probably won't erupt again. The volcano has actually collapsed in on itself and formed a landform called a caldera. Our next stop is another volcano. Can you spy it in the top left corner? This volcano is a shield volcano. Shield volcanoes can change the physical formation of the Earth when they erupt through the lava that flows from it. Here we see hardened lava. Lava comes from volcanic eruption and can rapidly change the Earth's surface. This type of lava is called Volcanoes. It is thin and liquidy and moves slowly. You can identify this lava by its rippled or wavy appearance. At this site, we see the results of a Volcanoes lava flow. Here, the lava has formed a relatively featureless lava plateau. Short, shrubby grass has started to grow over the plateau. At this stop in our tour, we see a different type of lava field. This type of lava is called A'a in Hawaiian. It is rocky and jagged. The lava is much thicker and slower moving than Volcanoes lava and can alter the Earth's surface in a different way. As you can see, A'a lava flows can create some extremely interesting formation. We see more examples of A'a lava fields. Moss is growing over this field. Moss can grow over the old and hardened lava because it is actually quite rich and fertile. Here we see a cave. This cave formed when very thin Volcanoes lava collapsed. The lava probably hardened over an underground cave or vent and weakened, eventually collapsing to create this feature. Here we can see a beautiful mountain. This mountain is actually the result of many eruptions that have occurred over time and eventually built up to this. This site we see a steam vent or fumarole. Although it is not directly created by a volcanic eruption, they are created by the volcanic system. They can actually be a rather dangerous physical formation because the ground around them can be so hot that it can melt the soles of your shoes. This is another neat feature that can occur because of the volcanic system. This is a hot spring. In this case, the water is literally boiling hot. At this site, we see a boiling mud pot. These can form quite suddenly and be very dangerous. The ground covering these mud pots can suddenly collapse and anything over top can fall right in. On our final stop today, we see a lava plateau ending at a lake. There are islands in this lake that are formed by underwater volcanic eruption. Hopefully on our sightseeing tour through Iceland today, you have learned about the rapid and gradual changes volcanic eruptions and volcanic systems can cause.